Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up the VS Code to your device for Unity. So I don't actually like to talk too much, so let's just get to the point. So first what you have to do is go to the Chrome browser. So after opening the Chrome browser, you have to search VS Code. Sorry, my net is a little slow actually, sorry for that. So from here, go to this VS Code visualstudio.com, and after that download it from here and install it like the other software. So after installing it, you have to download one other thing called C#, as the Unity software work on C# coding system. That's why you also need .NET. So search .NET here. So from here, search, go there, download .NET. Code, you just have to open a new window, or just open the VS Code. So after opening the VS Code, you will see this page, and go to the extension and write C#, search C# here. So you have to download this base framework support for C# from Microsoft. Click on this and install it. You will see the install button here. I already installed it, so it is not showing. After that, go to the Unity Hub. From here you can download the .NET version for supporting the C# on your device. After that, you go to the Unity Hub or Unity, whatever you want. You can create new project from here, and after that you will go to the Unity, this kind of scenario, and after that you will go to Window, then Package Manager. From here you have to see like Unity registry. Okay, after that you have to search for the VS Code. So here you can see the Visual Studio Code Editor is already downloaded for my thing, already installed. So if it is not installed, install it, then go to Edit and Preferences. So after coming here, you will see, click on here, then select Visual Studio Code. So after selecting Visual Studio Code, you can open this code from here. Like here is a script I have created. So like if you click on this, click double, or you can go from here like assets and open C# project. It will open in VS Code. Okay, let's see this is opened or not. So you can see that this is opened in VS Code. So that's how you can do this. It's pretty easy actually. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any problem with anything, just comment below. I will solve that for you. Thank you. Yeah, intelligence is also working. So thank you, take care.